Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to our class. Last we learned the multiplication table from 1 to 10. Now I know that you all are studying the multiplication table very well, isn't it? Okay, you are very good children. Okay, and I am very happy. Okay, so here some questions are. Now we are multiplying two numbers first. That is based on that multiplication, we just multiply these numbers first. Okay, that is 7 8s. 7 8s are what? 7 into 8. 7 8. 7 8s are what? That is 56. Okay, simple one. We know the multiplication table, then only we can answer this. Okay, then 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. Okay, very good. Then 10 into 9. What is that? 10 9s are 90. Okay, very good. Then 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay, then fifth question is 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. Then 8 into 9. 8 9s are 90. 8 9s are 72. Then 3 into 5. 3 5s are what? 15. Then 10 into 7. 10 7s are 70. Okay, we done this in a very good manner because of we know the multiplication table. If we don't know the multiplication table, we can't do anything from this. So multiplication table is very important. Okay, children, now we studied about how to multiply one digit number. Then next week we are going to study about the multiplication of two digit number. One digit number means 7 into 8, 3 into 4, 9 into 6, like that we studied. Now here the two digit number, that is 12 into 4. First we write the number 12 into 4. Okay, 12 into 4. See children, first we have to write this number in a when we add and subtract, addition and subtraction of numbers, how to write the numbers, like that we should write the numbers. Okay, so 12 into 4. Now that is 12. 4 in the down side of the unit place. Then put the into sign here. Okay, then we should multiply this 4 to the top of this number. The two numbers, we just multiply this 4 to the top of these two numbers. That is, first we multiply from right side to the left side. We multiplied the numbers from the right side to the left side. Okay, so here the number 4 into 2. 4 2s are what? 4 2s are 8. We multiply this number. 4 2s are 8. We write here. Then next we multiply this 4 to this 1. First we multiply 4 to 8. Then next we multiply 4 to this 1. 4 1s are what? 4 1s are 4. So we get the number answer as 48. So our answer 12 into 4 equal 48. Understood? The next is here 32 into 4. So first we write as 32. 32 into 4. Like this we write 32 into 4. First we multiply this 4 to this 2. Then we multiply 4 this 3. From right side to the left side, we like this. From the right side to the left side, we multiply. Okay, that is 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. We write 8. The next is 4 3. 4 3s are what? 4 3s are 12. So we write 12 in the left side. Okay, so we get the answer as, how to write this? 128. Then we write here 32 into 4 equal 128. Okay, understood. The next is 23 into 2. So here we write 23. 23 into 2. Like this, you write the numbers, and the next step is you should write this 2 to this 3 and this 2 to this 4. 2 3s are what? 2 3s are 6. Then 2 2s are what? 2 2s are 4. So we get the number as 46. That is 23 into 2 equal 46. Okay. The next is 61 into 8. Okay. We write the numbers properly first, and we count the numbers from the right side to the left. That is 8 ones are 8. We multiply the numbers from the right side to the left. That is 8 ones are 8 and 8 6 are 48. So we get the numbers. How to write this number? 488. That is 61 into 8. Answer is 488. We get the number as 400. But that is 68 into 7. First we write the number as 68 into 7. 68 into 7. Okay. Here we multiply this 7 into 8, and after that we multiply this 7 into 6. That is 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is what? 7 8s are 56. 56. That is for 7 8s are 56. Okay. This 6 we write here. We get the 2-digit number. So we write the 6 here, and this 5 right in the top of this 6 as the carryover. Like addition, we get the answer as a 2-digit number. We get the answer as a 2-digit number. So the ones place, the unit place only we write here. The tens place number, that number is the carryover. That carryover we should write in the top of the next number. Okay, understood? That is 7 8s are 56. We write 6 and 5 is the carryover. We write in the top side of this 6. Okay. The next is we should multiply this 7 into 6. 7 into 6 is what? 7 6 are 42. Then next is this 42 plus 5. 42 plus 5. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So here the number is 476. So we write here 68 into 7 equal to 476. Okay, understood? The next is 48 into 5. 48 into 5. First we multiply 5 into 8. Then we multiply 5 into 4. We multiply from right to left. Okay. That is 5 8s are what? 5 8s are 40. 40. Here we write 5 8s are 40. Here we write 0. And the 4 is the carryover. We write in the top side of the next number. Okay. The next is 5 4s are 20. Then 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4. 21, 22, 23, 24. We should write here 24. So here we get 240. That is 48 into 5 equal 240. Understood? Then next question number 15. That is 63 into 9. 63 into 9. First we multiply. 9 threes are what? 9 threes are what? 9 threes are 27. 27 we write 7 and 2 as the carryover. We write the top side of the 6. Okay. Then 9 6 are what? 9 6 are, that is 54. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 2. 54 plus 2 is what? 54. 55, 56. That is 56. So we get the number as 567. That is 63 into 9 equal 567. 567. The next number is 28 into 7. 28 into 7. We just multiply this 7 into 8. 7 8s are what? 7 8s are 50. So 7 8s are 56. So 56 we write 6 and the carryover is 5. Carryover is 5. Okay. Then next is 7 2s are 40. The next we multiply 7 into 2. 7 2s are what? 7 2s are 14. Then 14 plus this 5. 14 plus this 5 is what? 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we get the number as 19. So the answer is 28 into 7 equal 196. Okay. So children, you should study today's portion today itself. Watch the video of each problem 2 or 3 times you should watch. After that only you should write the notes. Okay. And after that you should write 2 times and that notes you should send to me. Okay children. So study well today itself. Study the multiplication table also. Study well today. Okay. Thank you.